Hi, my name's Rachel Ayala, and it is September 15th, 2019, and we're going to be talking about tissues today for our video exercise. And tissues are a group of cells that work together to perform a certain function, and that would be a tissue. There are 4 different types of tissues in the body: epithelial, connective, muscle, and neural tissue. First, I want to talk about epithelial tissue. And epithelial tissue protects the body. It covers the body, and you can be seen on the skin. It can be lining the respiratory tract, and it's very important. All the cells are connected together in epithelial tissue by basal lamina. Okay. Basal lamina is like a matrix that holds everything together. Between each of the epithelial cells, there's either tight junctions or leaky junctions. Leaky junctions allow for free movement, and tight junctions, they create a barrier, and they don't allow things that are wanted. So we need tight junctions and leaky junctions. Epithelial tissue is found all over the body, and depending on its function is what the cells actually look like, if they're simple, cuboidal, or stratified columnar. But there's all different types, and that's according to their function. So now we're going to talk about muscle tissue. Okay, one more thing to add about epithelial tissue. Maybe I should talk about their locations a little bit more. Some places you can find epithelial tissue would be the lungs, right? And so those would be simple cuboidal cells, and they're flat, and so things can pass through. The thyroid gland, the stomach, the trachea. These epithelial tissues and their cells also can be sorted out into 5 different types: ciliated, exchange, transporting, secretory, or protective. Both muscle and nervous tissue are excitable, meaning they're able to create electrical signals that are called action potentials. Muscle tissue is unique in that it can contract, so it has contractible filaments, actin and myosin. There are 3 types of muscle tissue: smooth, cardiac, and skeletal. Smooth muscle is short and spindle shaped, and its functions can include involuntary control of respiration. It also regulates the flow of blood in arteries and moves secretions. It can be found in major organs and passageways. Cardiac muscle is short and branched, and it can be found in the heart. It has a single central nucleus, and it's used to pump the heart. Skeletal muscle is a little bit different. It's long. It has cylindrical fibers, and it's striated. It has many peripheral nuclei. It's found on entrance points to the body. It helps our body produce heat and protects organs. It also helps regulate voluntary movement. Nervous tissue has neurons and glial cells. The cell bodies are large with an axon, and its function is to help our nervous system with communication and to tell our body what to do. Nervous tissue can be found in the spinal cord and in the brain. Connective tissue is really fun because it supports our organs and our system. The different types of connective tissue are loose, dense, adipose or supporting tissue, or blood. Loose connective tissue has elastic fibers and collagen fibers, as well as the fibroblast nuclei. It's found under the skin and in small glands. Dense connective tissue just has the collagen fibers, not the elastic fibers. but as well as the fibroblast nuclei. And it is found in muscles and nerves. Well, sorry, it covers muscles and nerves. And it's found in tendons and ligaments. Adipose and supportive tissue is found in cartilage and bone. It's also found under skin and in breast tissue or bone marrow. Blood, as seen, can be red and white blood cells that are in a fluid matrix. Okay, so it's not a fixed connective tissue. Its function is to transport respiratory gases, waste, nutrients, immune responses, blood clotting, and the blood goes through our blood vessels. So blood would be a mobile tissue, connective tissue. I think I'll leave you there though. I don't think I'll talk to you anymore about tissues, even though it's been so much fun. So thank you for watching.